Remix in Premiere Pro uses the power of Adobe Sensei to help you retime your music to match your video. Here's a remix power tip. If you want to align a specific part of your music to a specific place in your video, first, cut the music track at that point. Then, apply remix separately to each half of the song. Remix always keeps the beginning and end of every clip and remixes the middle, so the transition at the cut point will be seamless. The music will align with the video as you intended. Watch our full video on Remix to learn more. Try Remix in Premiere Pro today.